Hello everyone! Today we will draw a little girl with her teddy bear. Firstly, I want to open my drawing guide tool to find my way on this page with these lines. Then I'm selecting my brush, my drawing brush, and I just add a big huge round. And ears, the neck, then the shape of the body. Then I'm adding the teddy bear's head, and girls. I'm just giving the basic shapes. After that, I will make some details. Now I'm adding the hand, which is holding the teddy bear. I'm giving it the forms. Something like that. And I'm giving the shape of the teddy bear's face. Nose, eyes. Now the important part. The face is the most impressive part of this drawing because I want to give the feeling from the girl's face. First I'm drawing there. Some cute hair parts. I want to add a hairband for give a little bit color to the hair. I'm trying to draw a really cute face, small little eyes, little nose and a little mouth. All the face elements should be close to each other. Now I am decreasing the opacity of my drawing layer, then I am searching another color for my lines and I am preparing my clear sketch. Yes, this is my final sketch. Now I'm closing the layer of my earliest sketch. Yes. And I'm decreasing my sketch layer's opacity too. Now I'm ready to paint it. Today I will try a new brush set called LG Dreamland. I'm choosing my color, then I'm starting with the face area. I'm making this without giving any pen break because it's a kind of watercolor brush, and when I give pen break it will be more dark areas. Now I'm choosing my hair color and the pencil. The pencil name is Burnt Pencil. It's giving a shape like the color is a little bit burnt. Then I'm painting the hair areas. To feel that effect, you can use normal drawing pencil. Then you can choose your layer as color burnt, and this will be seemed like that. Now I'm opening a new layer for the hairband. I'm choosing my brush, some kind of watercolor brush. Then I'll apply the blue. Now I want to give a little bit texture to my hairband. I'm using a little bit lighter color and using this brush, something like that. It seems good. Now I'm choosing a darker blue, then I'm applying them as a shadow. And I'm giving some details with my burnt brush. Then some lights to the upper side of the hairband. Then I'm opening a new layer and I'm choosing my yellow color for the girl's pullover. Now I'm giving a little bit shadow to these areas. I want to make them a little bit darker. It's like that. Now I'm choosing a lighter color to give a little bit more light to these areas. Now I'm adding some details with the same way. Now I'm decreasing the opacity of the details layer. It seems better now. I'm opening a new layer and I'm choosing my color and I'm choosing my brush. I'm doing the same process for the girl's shirt too. Maybe I can add some spots to the girl's pullover. Seems beautiful. Let's paint the teddy bear. Firstly, I'm finishing the painting, then I'm using the smudge tool to have a better texture. But I want a more textured beer. I'm using another brush to have this. Now some shadows. By the way, there's a really good some shadow brushes in this brush pack. They seem really textured and realistic. Now I'm adding a little bit light to here. Now again the details part with burnt brush. Now I'm painting the eyes and the nose. A little bit light to the eyes. Yes, great. And I'm painting a pink skirt with using the same process. Now I realize that the face of the girl is so light. After finishing the painting of the clothes, you can take a look to the face again and you can change the color of the face. I'm giving some shadows to the face. To neck. And to hands. Now I'm giving a little bit color to girl's face with wet smoother tool. And I'm painting the face details. Now I'm opening a new layer to have some background color. There are some kind of stamps in this brush pack. I'm using some of them with different green tones. Now I want to change its brightness. I want to see it a little bit darker. Now the background is done. Now I want to add a little bit more texture to my page. You can use a watercolor page texture to apply. You can find a watercolor paper from the Google search, then you can apply it, then you can multiply it, and you can fix the opacity. Now I'm adding a little bit more shadow on a new layer. Then I'm setting my layer as multiply, then I'm decreasing the opacity. Yes, this is what I want. Now I want to add a little bit light. I imagine that the light is coming from this area, the left side. After I've finished my light process, I'm adding layer as add and I'm changing the opacity. It's done.